Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will cover Rinl MT 2017 paper. This paper was already cancelled. In this video, I will cover aptitude part only. Question number 1 to 25 already covered English section. After that, question 26 onwards aptitude sections. 25 questions. Question is, a man had 7 children. When their average age was 12 years, a child age 6 years was lost. Find the average age of the remaining 6 children. So we know average is total divided by total number. So first 7 children, average is 12. So total is 12 into 7, 84. Then in second case, child age 6 years was lost. So 84 minus 6, 78. This is total of 6 children. So find the average age of 6 children. Totally 78 divided by 6. So 13 years is the answer. Next question. The average age of 2, 7, 6 and x is 5 and the average of 18, 1, 6, x and y is 10. What is the value of y? Y value we have to calculate. Same formula. Average is equal to total divided by number, total number. So here in first case 2, 7, 6 and x. Total number is 4 number. Total number 4. Average is 5. So x value we have to calculate. 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus x is 5 is average into 4, it's 20. So from here x we can get x value is 20 minus 7 plus 6 plus 2. So 5. X value is 5. In second case, average is 10. Total, how many numbers we have to check? 18, 1, 6, x and y. So 5 numbers. So here in total is, in second case total is 10 into 5, it's 50. Already x value we got. So y value we have to calculate. 18 plus 1 plus 6 plus x value is 5 plus y is 50. Y value is 50 minus 30, it's 20. So from option A is the answer. If the simple interest on a sum of money at 5% per annum for 3 years is 1200, the compound interest on the same sum for the same period at the same rate is how much? So in two methods I will solve. In first method, simple interest on a sum of money at rate is 5%, time is 3 years, simple interest SI. So our formula is PRT by 100. P is principal, R is rate, T is time. So from here we can get principal. P equal to SI 1200 into 100 divided by R into T. rate is 5, T is 3. So this is the principal amount, 8,000. Then compound interest at the same period at same rate. So rate is same, 5%. Time is 3 years. Principal is 8,000. So total is P into, for compound interest, 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power T. Principal is 8,000 into this term, you will get 1 plus 5 by 100 whole to the power 3. So you can write it as 105 by 100 3 times use. 105 by 100 into 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. Double zero cancel, single zero here, single zero, then 4 here, 5, 21, 2 here, 50, 25, 5 into 5, 21, so 21 cube. 21 square is 441 into 21, we will get 9261. This is total. So interest is 9261 minus 8,000 is the principal, 1261. So from option B is the answer. In second method, principal is PRT by 100. That formula you will use SI into 100 by RT. Same 8,000. So here we will make 3 box. First year, second year, 3 columns, and third year. First year we will get 5% of 8,000. 1% is 80. 80 into 5 we will get 400. So next year we will get, for next year principal is 8400. So for 8,000 you will get 400 plus 20. 400 5%, 400 1% is 4, and 5% 20. So you will get 420 rupees. For third year, for 8,000 rupees you will get 400 rupees 5%, then 400 rupees. For 400 rupees you will get 20 rupees, and for 20 rupees you will get 21 rupees, and for 420 rupees. Here total is 8400 plus 4200, you will get 8820. This is the principal for third year. Again I am repeating, for third year, for first 8,000 rupees you will get 400 rupees, then next 400 rupees you will get 20 rupees 5%, then 420 rupees. 420 rupees you will get 21 rupees. Total 441 rupees. So for 3 years interest you have to calculate. Total is 400 plus second year 420 rupee, third year 441 rupee. Total is 1. Same amount you will get 1261. Same B is the answer. If you practice, then table method is very easy. Up to second year, 3 years, you can easily calculate. Next question. A man borrowed Rs 800 at 10% per annum simple interest and immediately lent the whole sum at 10% per annum compound interest. What does he gain at the end of 2 years? So, borrowed Rs 800 at the rate 10% in simple interest. So, principal is fixed here, Rs 800. In first case, rate is 10% and time is simple interest. So, in simple interest you will get time is 2 years. So, for 800 rupees simple interest 10% 2 years. You have to calculate 800 10% is 80. 2 years 80 into 2 160. So, principal is 800 plus 80 into 2, you will get 960 rupees in simple interest. And for compound interest, principal is same in second case, compound interest, and rate is same 10%. How much you will get? Here total direct formula you can use A plus B plus A into B by 100. So A is 10, B also 10%, 10 into 10 by, so you will get total 21% of the principal. Principal is 800, so 21% of 800 168 rupees. So here principal is 800 plus 168, you will get total 968 rupees in compound interest. So gain is, in first case it's 960 rupees, second case it's 968 rupees. So 968 minus 960, you will get 8 rupees. This is the gain. B is the answer. These things, if you practice more, no need to write these things directly. You can write this one here also. Directly this total you can write, so that within 40 seconds you can solve this question. 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a tank in 6 hours. After working at it together for 2 hours, C is closed and A and B can fill the remaining part in 7 hours. The number of hours taken by C alone to fill the cistern is how much? Part method we will use here. Part method already in separate video you can get this one. I already explained this part method, how to use this one. In time and work, same part method here you can use. A, B, C. Total A plus B plus C in 1 hour. Total is 6 hours. So take the LCM. Let total is 18 parts. So A plus B plus C in 1 hour they will complete 3 parts. Together all three A plus B plus C, they will work for 2 hours. In 1 hour they are completing 3 parts. So in 2 hours they will complete 3 into 2, 6 parts they will complete. Remaining total is 18 minus 6, 12 parts is remaining. Then C is closed. A and B can fill the remaining part in 7 hours. Remaining is 12 parts, they will complete A plus B in 7 hours. 12 parts in 7 hours, so in 1 hour they will complete 12 by 7 parts. So in 1 hour A plus B plus C, all three, they are completing here 3 parts. And A plus B, here A plus B in 1 hour, they are completing 12 by 7 parts. So from here C will complete 3 minus 12 by 7 parts. So 21 minus 12 by 7. So 9 by 7 parts C will complete in 1 hour. So C will take total hours. Total is 18 parts. So 18 by 9 by 7. So 18 into 7 by 9. 14 hours. So from option C, the answer. Simple. Part method is very simple. I already made a separate video that you can check from my playlist. This question I am unable to solve. If anyone able to solve this question, please comment. A student has to secure 40% marks to pass. He gets 178 marks and fails by 22 marks. The maximum marks are how much? So, pass mark is 40% mark. Pass percentage is 40%. And he gets 178 marks, fail by 22 marks. So pass mark is 178 plus 22. 200 marks is passing mark. So 40% is 200. 40% is 200. 100% is 200 by 40 into 100. 500 marks. B is the answer. Maximum mark is 100%. It's 5. The population of a town is 18,000. It increases by 10% during first year and by 20% during the second year. The population after 2 years will be how much? After 2 years. So here first population is 18,000. It's initially. For first year rate is 10% and for second year rate is 20%. So for 2 years combine you can rate it's R1 plus R2 plus R1 into R2 by 100. So you can write plus 10 into 20 by 100. So you will get 32%. This is the combined rate increase. So initial is 18,000 into 32%. So 18 into 32. It's 180 into 32. You will get 5760. This is the increase, but you have to calculate the total population. So 18,000 23760. C is the answer. You can use table method also here. This is very simple table method. For first year it's 10%, for second year it's 20%. Two columns you can write. For first year initial amount is 18,000. 18,000 10% you will get 1800. So here you will get 1800, and for second year it's 20%. So for 18,000 20%, 10% is 1800, 20% is 1800 into 2, 3600 you will get. For 1800, for this amount 18000 amount, and again for this amount 1800 you have to calculate the 20%. 20% of 1800, 10% is 180, 20% is 180 into 2, you will get 360. So for 18,000 you got 3600, and for 1800 you will get 3600. So total you will get in second year 3960, and in first year you got 1800. So total in 2 years you will get 5760. Total population 5760, you will get 23760. Same answer you will get. I think second method is simple. If you practice, you can solve. In first method also not that much difficult. Simple formula you can apply here. Combined rate is R1 plus R2 plus R1 into R2 by 100. This combined rate you can calculate. Then for principal amount you can calculate the new. Next question, a vessel of 80 liters is filled with milk and water. 70% of milk and 30% of water is taken out of the vessel. It's found that vessel is vacated by 55%. Find the initial quantity of water. This question I am solving. I don't know whether it's a correct method or not, but answer is matching with the official answer. So if anyone getting a different method or any different year, then you can comment. So total volume of the vessel is 80 liter. So here milk and water. Milk 70% reduce and water 30% reduce. Total vacated is 55%. So 55% of 80 liter. If you will calculate 55 by 100 into 80. (44 liter). Then alligation mixture, milk, water. Milk 70% reduce, water 30% reduce. Combined reduction 55%. 25 here you will get 15. So it's 5 is to 3. So total 8 parts is 80 liter, and water initial volume we have to calculate. So 3 parts is water, to 3 you will get 30 liters. I don't know whether my method is correct or not, but official answer is 30 liter. If anyone getting different method, then please comment. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Here answer is D. Thank you.